Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to make an apple upside down cake. It is very similar to my pineapple upside down cake, but I make it with apples and walnuts and it looks like a sunflower. I can't wait for you to see it. It's so pretty. We're going to start with 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. And now we need 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt. We're just going to whisk this together. We need 3/4 cup of buttermilk. Half a cup of sour cream, we need 1 egg, we need 4.5 tablespoons of canola oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And just stir all the wet ingredients up together. Now we're going to set this aside before we put it together so we can slice our apples and prepare the top of the pan. Now we need to put the melted butter in the bottom of the pan. And just like with the pineapple upside down cake, we want to coat the bottom of the pan and then up the sides with the melted butter. Then we sprinkle about 1/2 cup of brown sugar in the bottom. Okay, now we have our pan ready, and so we'll go ahead and slice the apples. I got these Fuji apples from the grocery store today and they smell so good. Right now it's apple season, so you're gonna find some really good apples. We just want to slice them very thin. Then we'll start our design in the bottom of the pan with these apples. Now I'm going to put some chopped walnuts in the center of the apples. Now like to sprinkle the apples and the walnuts with cinnamon. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little sugar on that too. For this cake, I like to sprinkle a little bit of cardamom. Cardamom is kind of a strong spice, I think. So I just use a little bit. A little goes a long way. It looks like a sunflower after it's baked, I think. I think it's really pretty. And now we'll mix the wet and dry ingredients together so we can pour it over our apples and walnuts. If you made the pineapple upside down cake, then this will be just as easy and just as pretty. And we don't want to overmix this batter. Just mix it until it's combined, and there's going to be lumps in it, so don't worry about that. Just leave it. Now we'll spoon the batter over our apples and walnuts. We're just going to carefully spread it out so we don't disturb the apples. We're going to bake it in the preheated oven at 350 for 40 minutes. I like to use one of these sheet pans because sometimes the butter does kind of overflow, so you don't want to make a mess in your oven. Our cake has been in the oven for 40 minutes, and then it's been cooling for 30 minutes, and now it's time to turn it over and see what it looks like. Okay, we're ready. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, that looks so pretty, look. A few walnuts got stuck, but I'm gonna just put them back on. I always love how this cake turns out, and it tastes really different from the pineapple upside down cake. The apples aren't nearly as sweet as the pineapples, but it just has a flavor of its own, and it tastes like fall. I hope you try the cake, and I really hope you like this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.